Hi, and welcome to Seofeedback.com. In this video, I will guide you on how to get your own SEO report in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and type in Seofeedback.com in the address field. In the field on the middle of the page, type in your website address and click Scan your website. Seofeedback will now scan the first 10 pages of your website and give you the result of the analysis on the screen. To get access to the full report, click Press to Buy Report. Now, you need to type in your personal information. When you're ready, you can click Place Order. When your order is placed, you will be taken to the payment page. Here, you need to type in your credit card information. If you prefer, mobile pay is also an option. On the next page, you will have to confirm your order with NemID or an SMS password. When you have confirmed your order, you will be shown an order confirmation, which will also be sent to you on your email address. The report itself will also be sent to you by email, and of course, we won't withdraw any money from your account before the report has been sent. It may take up to 2 hours before you receive the report. This is due to the fact that SEO Feedback will scan and analyze your website in its entirety. That includes landing pages, pictures, links, headlines, and much more. In other words, there is a lot of material SEO Feedback has to scan, and therefore it may take some time, especially with content-heavy websites. If you want to know how to read and understand your report, please watch our video about the SEO report in the video section on our website. Thanks for watching.